Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. I'll show you how you can add template parts to your basically a template. So let me just show you how you can do that easily. So we already have the existing template parts. So what we can do here is we can click this inserter icon and we can search for template parts block. Now as soon as I will add this block, it will give me an option to basically choose an existing template part that probably I've created or create a new template part. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose an existing one from the list and let's just add this one for right now. And you can see, it's the same one, but this is how you add it. Basically, in case you have created customized parts for your site, then you can add it using this. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.